Hello and welcome to this video to learn more about the new features of Bonita 2021.1. Today I'm going to introduce you to the future of Bonita Platform Administration with the new administration application. It has both the power of an admin portal and the flexibility of a living application. It's very easy to use. You can import it from Bonita Studio or GitHub. Then you can customize the pages of the application with the UI designer or add other pages according to your needs. Then you can deploy everything like any other application. Bonita 7.10 provided the Bonita user application. Now, the Bonita platform continues its evolution of powerful, flexible, and extensible applications with the Administrator application, created with the Bonita layout and the Bonita theme. Let's see what's here. The application offers the same menus as the old administration portal. These menus are now customizable for the portal profiles provided by adding or removing pages. All pages previously created using the Google Web Toolkit framework have been recreated and enhanced with Bonita UI Designer. They can now be customized in the UI Designer and will be available with the application imported into Bonita Studio. Any pages previously created in other ways have been redeveloped in newer technologies like React or Portal.js. These cannot be customized in the UI Designer, not available from the project in Bonita Studio, but you can find them in the Resources tab of the application. Now let's look at the changes in more detail. In the BPM menu, the monitoring page is identical to Bonita Portal. The process list has been recreated with the UI Designer. The process lifecycle is now clearer. The process details are identical to those of the Bonita portal. For Bonita Community, tracking information has been added to display what was previously in the third panel of the process list. The case list is identical to the Bonita portal, but the case detail has been recreated with the UI Designer. It shows the layout of information and editing of process variables more clearly. The list and details of tasks have been recreated with the UI Designer. The display of the list information is clearer. It's consistent with the layout of the horizontal tabs, presenting failed activities first, as this is generally the main information to be tracked. For failed tasks, the restart feature of the error management, available in Bonita Enterprise Edition only, is easier to see. Now let's move on to the organization menu. Installation and export are identical to the portal. The user list has been recreated with the UI Designer. It gives less information without the left panel, but offers a clearer display at the top level. There's no change for the user details. The groups and roles have been recreated with the UI Designer. All information, like the parent group, technical name, and last update, is available in the table directly, or by clicking for subgroups and users in the group. The actions, edit, delete, have been made more accessible at the end of each line. The list of profiles has been recreated with the UI Designer and the details page removed from the portal. The profile list lets you view and edit the profile mapping with a single click. The mapping interface has also been simplified. The BDM menu remains identical to the Bonita portal. The resources are recreated with the UI Designer and can therefore be modified. You can now search for a resource by its name and hide the resources provided by Bonita to display only your custom resources. Applications are managed as in the Bonita portal. The look and feel is now part of the application and therefore managed like other resources from Bonita Studio, so the look and feel page of the portal is no longer necessary. Now that you've had an overview of all the new features and improvements, let's see how to deploy the Bonita Admin app. You can import the Bonita Admin application directly from Bonita Studio or by cloning the Git directory. As you can see, all the customizable pages in the UI Designer that we reviewed are available in Bonita Studio in the Pages, Forms, Layout section. Remember that the others are in the Application Resources. The application descriptor is already created. Just deploy your application from it. your application appears in the browser. Now, if you want to customize a page, it's easy. Go to the UI Designer. There's a list of all of the pages of the application that can be modified. We'll select the page of the case details to customize it. You can see that this page is made up of the containers and widgets of any application page built with the UI Designer. Let's make some modifications on this page and save it. Then, launch a new deployment from the Bonita Studio application descriptor or by clicking on the deployment button. Let's select only the modified resources on our page. And we can immediately see the improvements made to the page. From the Bonita platform, I can also deploy the application resources following the order recommended in the documentation, or using Bonita Continuous Delivery to automate the deployment. For the moment, the native Bonita portal is still available and will be removed from the product with Bonita 2021.2. While waiting for the release of this next version, here is some additional information. Custom profiles still follow the same mechanism as in previous versions, but will evolve in the logic of other Bonita applications. That is, one application per profile. When the Bonita portal is gone, the custom profiles of the portal will have to be transferred to the living applications. On the other hand, the analytics page is being redesigned, so it has not been recreated here and will be one of the new features in the next version. Feel free to visit the documentation for more details about the Bonita applications. Also, there's a video on YouTube with the entire list of new features of Bonita 2021. See you soon!